Want to know why you're getting 0 views on your WhatsApp story on your iPhone? It could be because your privacy settings are blocking viewers, you're not connected with people, or there's a network issue. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the WhatsApp story views problem on your iPhone. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try force close your WhatsApp app. Turn on and off airplane mode. After following these basic settings, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change limited audience. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom, and after that, tap Apps. Now find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on Contacts. Make sure to select Full Access. Tap Allow Full Access from the pop-up. Solution 2. Change Status Privacy. Open up the WhatsApp app, and after that, tap the Updates from the bottom left corner. Now tap on the 3 dots from the top left corner. Next, tap Status Privacy. Make sure to select My Contacts from here. Solution 3. Enable Read Receipts. Open up the WhatsApp app again, then tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. After that, scroll down, tap Privacy, find the Read Receipts, make sure to toggle it on. Solution 4. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see any updates available for WhatsApp Messenger, then update the app. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. So, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.